All right, guys, welcome back to Cheatham Street Relics. So, if you saw the last video on the '89 Ranger GT, I was just letting you know that the battery was bad on it, and so I went today and got a new battery for it. I went to Advanced Auto Parts, Huntingdon, Tennessee, and they stuck it on there for me. It's like 180 bucks with tax, but it's a three-year battery, and I'll show it to you real quick. As I said in the last video, the battery that was on here, and you can see it in that video, it was a small battery, a lot smaller than what this truck actually calls for. But that thing was 10 and a half years old. So I really doubt this new battery will last 10 and a half years. I hope it does, but it's kind of rare. Well, there it is, guys. It's a Diehard Gold 850 cold cranking amps. I think the other one, I can't remember what brand it was, but it was like 610 cold cranking amps, and it was a small battery. It was about like from here over. It was a little tiny battery. I don't even know why I put that small battery on here, but guys, I can't remember. It's been, like I said, that battery was May of 2013, and it's now fixing to be December of 2023. So what? A little over 10 and a half years on a battery is not bad. So, and it just started giving me a little issue last week, and I jumped it off this morning. And I said that's it. I've jumped it off 3 times in the last couple of weeks. I'm just going to go bite the bullet and put a new battery on it. So there it is from Advanced Auto Parts, Huntingdon, Tennessee. The Diehard Gold 850 cold cranking amps. That's a 3-year battery. So hopefully for at least the next 3 years, I'll be good on this truck. And I'm not even sure about the battery on the Dodge Ram is fairly new. It's about a year and a half old. I'm not sure about the Ranger, and the Buick is whatever was on there when I bought it. I'm not sure about it either, guys. But all right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.